Life can often feel like a never ending cycle of routines and obligations, especially during the holiday season. As the year draws to a close, many of us find ourselves reflecting on what we've accomplished and what we still hope to achieve. It's easy to feel stuck in the mundane, overwhelmed by the same old patterns and routines. But what if I told you that now is the perfect time to hit the reset button and take charge of your life? The end of the year is not just a time for reflection, but also a time for renewal. It's a time to let go of what no longer serves us and to embrace the possibilities that lie ahead. This holiday season, let's make a promise to ourselves to break free from the mundane and to take small, meaningful steps towards a happier, more fulfilling life. Start with the little things that brings you joy. It could be something as simple as savoring your morning coffee, taking a walk in the park, or spending time with loved ones. These small moments of happiness can add up and make a big difference in your overall well being. Explore new hobbies and interests. Have you always wanted to learn to paint, play an instrument, or garden? Now is the time to dive into those passions. Not only do they provide a creative outlet, but they also offer a sense of accomplishment and purpose. Spend time in nature. There's something incredibly healing about being outdoors. Whether it's a hike in the mountains, a stroll on the beach, or simply sitting in your backyard, nature has a way of grounding us and bringing us back to what truly matters. Connect with other humans. Human connection is essential for happiness. Reach out to friends and family, make new connections, and cherish the relationships that uplift you. Sometimes, just talking to someone who understands can make all the difference. Take a moment each day to reflect on what you're grateful for. It could be as simple as a warm bed, a delicious meal, or a kind gesture from a stranger. Gratitude shifts our focus from what we lack to what we have, and it can transform our outlook on life. Set goals and intention for the new year. What do you want to achieve? What changes do you want to make? Write them down and create a plan to turn those dreams into reality. Remember, it's not about making drastic changes overnight, but about taking small, consistent steps towards a better future. Prioritize self care. Taking care of yourself is not a luxury, it's a necessity. Whether it's through meditation, exercise, or simply taking time to relax, make sure to nurture your mind, body, and soul. Always remember, don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone. Growth often comes from challenging ourselves and facing our fears. Take that leap of faith. Try something new and watch how it opens up new possibilities. Consider the adventure of traveling or even moving abroad. Experiencing life in a new country can be one of the most enriching and transformative experiences. It opens your eyes to different cultures, new perspectives, and countless opportunities. Leaving the familiar behind might seem daunting, but it can also be the key to unlocking a more exciting and fulfilling life. Imagine waking up in a new city, exploring unfamiliar streets, tasting exotic foods, and meeting people from all walks of life. Travel expands your horizon and rejuvenates your spirit. Don't let fear or doubt hold you back. The world is vast and full of incredible experiences waiting for you. It may seem far fetched, but I can tell you from personal experience that it's entirely possible. I made the leap, left my comfort zone, and it was the best decision I ever made. I discovered a world beyond my imagination, filled with beauty, adventure, and endless possibilities. You can do it too. Plan your steps, save up, and take that first leap of faith. Whether it's a short trip to a nearby country or a complete relocation, the experience will be transformative. Remember, life's too short to stay in one place. Embrace the unknown and watch as your life fills with stories and memories that will last a lifetime. As Anthony Bourdain once said, travel isn't always pretty. It isn't always comfortable. Sometimes it hurts. It even breaks your heart. But that's okay. The journey changes you. It should change you. It leaves marks on your memory, on your consciousness, on your heart, and on your body. You take something with you. Hopefully, you leave something good behind. So take that step, embark on that journey, and let it transform you in ways that you never thought possible. As we embark on this journey of self discovery and renewal, remember that it's okay to take things one step at a time. Life is a journey, not a destination. Embrace the process, celebrate your progress, and be kind to yourself along the way. This holiday season, give yourself the gift of a fresh start. Break free from the mundane, take charge of your life, and create a future that excites you. Remember, you have the power to make your life extraordinary. If you're looking to make a change, take the leap and move out of the country, whether permanently or temporarily. Know that it's possible and an incredibly rewarding journey. Embrace the adventure and the unknown, and let it shape you into the best version of yourself. Be sure to follow along our journey as we continue to explore the world one country at a time. Subscribe to our channel to stay updated on our adventures, see the steps we take, and learn how you can make this your reality too. Together, let's discover new horizons, embrace new cultures, and create unforgettable memories. Thank you for watching and happy holidays. Here's to new beginnings and a brighter tomorrow. May your days be filled with love, joy, and endless possibilities.